Hello there, Halloweenies! Today we will be making these lighted skeleton vampire themed terrariums that I'll be using for my Halloween vampire display. I made 2 sizes from the glass coffins that I bought at Michael's art store on sale. I think they still sell these, so check out their website and store for more! The items that I needed were 2 small plastic skeletons, 2 small plastic skulls, these glass coffins at Michael's in 2 sizes, some green floral wire, and some red flowers that I got at Hobby Lobby. I also got these magical halo gold pieces from the Temu app and decided to add them in to give a Victorian magical feel. You will also need 30 count warm white fairy lights. Now that we have these, let's get started. To start, I took my mini skeletons that I got at Michael's and spray painted them gold. I also spray painted some larger skeletons that I will be using in my vampire display. Please check out my playlist for the Victorian vampire Halloween decorating video. After that, I took my skeletons and skulls and did a layout to see which one would fit best in my coffins. I decided to put the skeleton in the larger coffin and the skull in the smaller one, and then put a halo behind them. I also decided to put a burgundy flower color behind the skeletons to make them less busy. The first thing I did was cut the burgundy flowers to a size that would fit the coffins. Then I rearranged them to fit inside. I laid them inside and tried to smash them down flat. After that, I took out some of the halos and laid them on top of the flowers to see how flat they would look with the skeleton. I then got my green floral wire out, and I put some of that in the back of the flowers and twisted and entangled the flowers mass to hold it together as one piece. This part was tricky. Take your time until everything is secure. After that, I took out my halo, laid it inside for positioning, and decided to add a small piece of tape to help secure it in position. Then, I cut some smaller pieces of the green floral wire, and I added them to parts of the skeleton to secure it to the flowers and the halo. I did the same thing to the smaller coffin, cutting flowers to size and then entangling them together with floral wire. I then laid out and taped and wired the halo and the skull magnet, which was more challenging since it was heavier. I wrapped short pieces of floral wire around the magnet on the back, which held securely, and then inserted and entangled those wires into the flowers. The wire was holding the skull in gently. When I added the fairy lights, they pushed up against the skeleton and skull and helped keep them in place. So here are the two finished coffins with flowers, wire, and skeletons before I put the fairy lights in. After that, I got 30-count fairy lights at Walmart. I added them in, leaving the end with the battery pack towards the opening at the bottom. I will hide the battery pack behind the coffin for display. I added the lights to the other coffins, which helped keep the skeleton standing upright. So here is the finished result in two different lighting schemes. Let me know what you think and if you are going to make these. Let me know what your Halloween theme is in the comments, and follow my channel for more Halloween decorating and Halloween shopping videos. Until next time, happy Halloween!